All right,
we
Mommy.
are driving on some bumpy roads that Nate really likes. I'm gonna go turn around up here, and then we'll drive back the same way that we came. Nate, I took him last night, and he giggled the whole time. So we're gonna go have some more fun.
What do you kids think of this bumpy road?
This road isn't bumpy.
Oh, what do you think of the bumpy road we just came off of?
It was very bumpy.
It's very bumpy. Kitty, what do you think? You're just trying to stay away. Oh, are you asleep? She may be asleep.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, there she is. Yeah, she's not very much with it. Oh, and her head would fall off if it wasn't attached. What do you think, buddy? Is Sissy asleep? Yeah, we should let her sleep, huh?
Sissy refused nap time.
Yeah, Sissy laid down for a nap today, and she sat in her bed and yelled and talked for a half an hour. Didn't sleep at all. This was the whole point of us coming out to take a drive today, was to get Sissy to sleep. Where are we going?
Up that big hill.
Up that big hill.
It's not that big of a hill.
Oh, you guys are getting a fine shot of our bird poo, though. Isn't that nice?
That's not a very big hill.
It's not a very big hill, is it?
Now going down.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah. This.
Here comes the bumpy road. Ah! Ready and
I'm not sure which one is having more fun. Look at all the... We thought it was real pretty when we drove through here. The sun's out. It's just a gorgeous little area. And the boy thinks it's fun, so that's double.
Look at all these
our washed out bridge to nowhere.
There's some really cool stuff to see out here.
Lots of honeysuckle.
Lots of honeysuckle, as Mommy said. What do you think, boy?
Yeah, when I was going hunting with Brayden and Austin were going to spot, and he found that they.
I don't think he's ever been hunting with Austin and Braden.
No, but he went on the trails with Austin and Braden out in the woods by their house.
Oh. Oh, that does bring up a funny point, that this little boy back here, you never know what he's going to say. And we've caught 2 or 3 of the good ones on camera. I know if you watched one of our videos last week, you caught him saying, "It's a super nice day today. I think I'll just go pee on some ladybugs." So random, and I love it. His mind works a little bit differently than mine, because I guess, you know, I have things to worry about. He just worries about fun. I'll put that up.
You want to get that cool old house?
Oh yeah, look at that old house. Wow, that is too. It's just right out in the middle of nowhere, huh? Watch your head, Mama. Yeah. Should we move in there, Nate? Do you want to live in that house? Yeah.
Yes.
It's held up pretty good. It's amazing the things you find out in the middle of nowhere. Let's see if we can zoom in on it.
No.
That's gross.
It looks like a fine specimen.
What's it doing? What's it doing out here in the woods?
I don't know. What do you think it's doing?
Just sitting.
Do you want to take it home, put it in our garage?
No.
Oh. So.
You like that, Nate?
And you see a car stop on honking.
Oh, okay.
That's important advice, Mommy.
We like to honk down this road. But since he's asleep, so I won't do it too much.
But anyway, I'm making a blog post about some of the funny things that Nate has said over the past couple weeks, and I'll keep making them. But it's so funny. Every time he says one of his weird little things, I always wish we had the camera on. But I'll link down below to that blog and just watch it over the next few days. All right, Mama, what do you think about the power of taking a drive?
I love it.
We have Sleeping Boy, who has joined Sleeping Girl. Nope, we're mostly asleep. So, just had one of those days where they wouldn't lay down and have a nap, so we decided to take a drive, and it's worked out really well. They're both resting, getting the rest they need, and we can go home and play. So I'm just in the house cooking dinner when I look up and I hear all this laughing, and so I decided to walk outside and see what's going on. And so let me just show you here. So you see, the kids have a visitor in their little fort. Who's it there?
Mommy!
Who's with you? Who is that? That's me? Who's behind you? Who else? Who else is with you? Who else is with you? Katie's not as impressed that Mommy's up there, I guess. Hey, Nani. Who's with you? Mommy! How did she get up there?
She just climbed up.
She just climbed up the ladder? Now the important question is, how's Mommy planning to get down? Okay.
Bunch of sweaty kids all over you.
Hello. You better get down, Lovey. Oh, you want a hug? Oh, I love you. You want down? Go down the slide.
I think she's
Okay, I'm going back in the house.
Here, Nani.
I'm going back in the house to cook. Say bye, Daddy.
Ready, up.
Say bye to Daddy.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy. How much do you love me?
Okay.
Can
you make it?
What are you doing?
I got money on me.
You got what? You got mud on you? What are you doing, kid?
I got mud on. Look at sweat on the
So it rained, and the kids wanted to come out and play in the rain, and so we were like, oh yeah, why not? And they are soaked and they're having fun. And Kate still doesn't use the right ladder. She goes up the side.
What are you doing? Yeah. My pants and my shirt. Wow, that rain cooled it off a good 10 or so.
I know, it feels good.
Great out here. Woo! Kids are getting all wet in the rainwater. Skippy-loo magoo.
Get you.
Water. Whoa.
1, 2, 3. Oh goodness. 1, 2, 3.
Slow down, Kate. I don't want anybody to fall and crack their head on the cement. No, get out of the mud. Yeah, yuck. That's mud, yuck. Yeah, don't touch it.
I stepped in it.
Where'd the mud come from? Oh no.
Why can we not make footprints?
What's this, Nate?
Wow!
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Mud.
Yeah, there's mud.
Watch this. I'm gonna swim on the porch.
What?
What's this? I'm gonna jump in this mud puddle.
I don't want him to jump on that because he's going to slip and crack his head.
Can I make it in the goal? Almost.
That's mud. That's mud. What'd he say?
Try it again, young boy.
That's what he said to you?
Yes.
Ah! Believe it or not, Katie's hair was up in half of pigtails today.
Hey, want me to follow you?
Excuse me?
Bye-bye, young lady.
Whoa, kitty. Good save. My turn. What are you doing?
Sleeping girl.
What's the matter? You're fine. You're fine. Keep playing. Uh-huh. Oh. We're deleting that too. Watch out, Susie's gonna get kicked in the head. I don't think Sissy likes the grass on her. Whoa!